Really? That is very disappointing. Okay, it's not every single day that you get to say that we're gonna be unboxing an Apple Watch Hermes. But that's exactly what we are going to be doing today. You know, after researching throughout the years and actually using Apple Watch throughout the years, I have conclusions. I know why this product exactly exists. So the first thing that we gotta check out is how beautiful the packaging is. I mean, the orange Hermes look absolutely looks incredible on Apple Watch. I mean, it's kind of cool. It's very, very awesome to see luxury brands actually collaborating with tech brands. Oura Ring has just released their ring with Gucci, which is pretty cool. So this is what you get inside of the box. You get the box itself. Super, super cool how, you know, the boxes actually look like. I mean, look at this. So with the Apple Watch Hermes, the main feature that it has is that you get that exclusive Hermes watch faces, which is the most exclusive watch face ever on an Apple Watch. I don't like contributing to the leather industry, but this year, Apple Watch has actually released a band with Hermes that is actually not made out of leather, which, you know, was the main reason why I got it. Holy crap, I mean, the presentation on this thing, look at this. You pull this up, you actually get that Apple Watch Hermes printed on this super, super soft. We have over here some packaging that says designed by Apple in California and Hermes in Paris. And you get the band itself, if I'm not mistaken, and I hope so. So here's a quick close-up on the actual band. You get Hermes right here. And the buckle itself is stainless steel. You get Hermes branding right here on the top. And on the back, it actually says stainless steel as well. Wow, I'm actually surprised on the quality of this itself. I mean, I'm not surprised, but I wasn't expecting this band in particular, not made out of leather, to feel this good. So here's what I'm very excited about. I actually have the Apple Watch Ultra. Yes, there's another band that comes with the Apple Watch Hermes. So you get the same pull tab mechanism as a standard Apple Watch, but it's actually orange, which is pretty cool. So you simply peel that off just like that, and then you peel it off from here as well. First time ever unboxing an Apple Watch Hermes. You get designed by Apple in California and Hermes in Paris as well. I'm very, really? That is very disappointing. So check this out, guys. On the Apple Watch Ultra, a braided cable actually comes with it, making it extremely different. Here you go, extremely different and unique to the Apple Watch Ultra, having it, you know, a different look. And I'm kind of disappointed that the most expensive Apple Watch doesn't have that braided cable, or at least they should make it something different. So it's just a standard cable that comes with your standard Apple Watch Series 8. This is exactly what I was waiting for. This is the most, you know, exclusive band that has ever been released to the Apple Watch. This is an Apple Watch sport band in collaboration with Apple Watch Hermes, which I'm kind of curious if there's actually a small. Is there only one size? I think there is. So this is an Apple Watch sport band in collaboration with Hermes, and yeah, I think there's only one size, which is kind of crazy. I actually have a smaller wrist, so hopefully this will fit me. So here you go. This is the Apple Watch sport band from Hermes, and as you guys can see right there, this is what makes it unique. You've actually got the Hermes printing. Anyways, here's the Apple Watch Series 8 Hermes itself, the actual body. It is exactly the same, but you actually get Hermes right on the back. Oh man, the most exciting thing for me, personally, I know this might be kind of stupid for a lot of people, but the thing that I was most looking forward to was this orange sport band, and for it not to come in like both sizes is crazy to me. All right, look at this, look at this. So I'm actually pairing the watch itself. This is usually white, but under Hermes, it's actually orange. Tiny little difference there. All right, so I've now set up the Apple Watch Hermes, and I wanted to show you the exclusive watch faces that it actually comes with it. Starting off with this one, which is brand new to this year, the Hermes Lucky Horse. The traditional horse from Hermes, now with the watch faces, which there's a couple colors. You got the Hermes branding right here on the bottom right. We've also got the classic one, which is the one that I was definitely most excited to check out and actually use on my daily life. You've also got the Hermes Circuit H, which you can customize it to make it go straight or curved, and also as well the colors that you can customize it from. You've also got the Hermes Circulaire. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. which you can customize it to have a couple colors. This one in blanc right here looks stunning, and it really takes advantage of the edge-to-edge display. So those are all the watch faces. This one is definitely my favorite. I love the way this looks right here. Okay, so my final conclusion with the Apple Watch Hermes unboxing experience, let's call it that. It's not that I'm upset about it, I'm just surprised at the decisions that they've actually made. For example, how are they not including a braided cable like we do get on the Ultra? I'm kind of curious, I guess, because the Apple Watch Ultra is here, which is a way much better watch than the Apple Watch Hermes. Of course, this is a more sleek look, but it does the exact same thing as the standard Series 8, except this whole experience that you get and this whole exclusivity with the watch faces that you get with this Hermes. Because fun fact, Apple has actually stopped selling the Nike version of the Apple Watch, because now anybody can actually install the watch faces from the Nike watches. So that's why Apple has actually stopped selling the Nike watches, because they've made the watch faces available for everybody. Well, Apple actually stopped selling the Hermes watch itself next year, and they will only sell the bands themselves, and when you get the band, you'll get the watch face itself. I think that's honestly a more interesting move from Apple. I don't know. It's very interesting where this thing will go, especially with the Ultra coming out. So that's my quick impressions. Thank you so much for watching. Be happy, because life is good, and I'm actually gonna enjoy this bad boy. Peace. I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a